Okay, so
Hi, Mom!
basically, yeah, I'm a Twitch famous. My name is like Face MLG Gay Fag.
Oh my god!
So
Sign my profile.
okay, what's going on right now
Please no.
is we basically made a rule that
Please.
none of
Please.
nobody's skins.
I will give you all my skins.
Oh my god, what the fuck even is
Which I
this
have
game?
none anymore.
Exactly, we don't have any skins. Basically, none of us have any skins, and we're all just conforming to the Negev meta, and if you don't, you die. But I can't do anything because I'll get banned.
Auto shoddy, that counts, right?
No, eliminate him.
Uh-oh. I don't like where this is going. Why are you looking at me like this?
Kill him.
Wait, guys, don't kill him yet. Wait for the rush stand so we don't get banned. Okay, now you can kill him.
No,
Yeah,
no.
Where is he?
He went to B.
Hey! He's at A!
He
Go
went to A.
away!
Get him. He went to A. I can't. No, I can like flash him or something though.
Get the auto!
Get him. I found him. They're at mid.
I want my auto back,
They're at
man!
mid. He has an op. Kill him. He doesn't stand a chance against the
No
power of
ops
the
allowed.
Oh, and the Nevs are so much better.
No.
Never mind. Come on, Bam Bam. Do it for your mama.
Silence!
Why'd my game tab
Come
out?
on.
Wait, what?
I-
Wait, no
I-
Steam log on. Reconnect. What the fuck? Why
the
did
heck I got-
It said no
got-
Steam log on.
I got kicked too.
Okay, reconnect. What the hell? What even? What? What?
Are this servers crashing? Did someone
I don't
hack
know. I don't know, Valve. What the fuck?
them? Did someone hack them out of anger because of Inferno?
Probably.
I
Yeah, it
wouldn't
was
blame
me.
them.
It was.
What the hell just happened,
What
Bambi?
the hell? Yeah, we all. No, we all got like kicked. Everybody got
Really?
like just. Yeah, everybody got kicked.
Still here.
Everybody turned into bots. Just fucking knife them. We don't have any weapons.
My
now.
friend is the only one.
Shit, he headshot me.
But the bot has
Nice
it.
skin there.
Alright,
Kill him
back.
for it.
Hey, look, I got my USPS back.
So did
And I have Negev.
Let's move out.
Make sure you got your Negevs and autos.
next round.
Oh, auto war.
Oh boy.
Decoy going out!
Deploying decoy.
Decoy.
Is that how they say it in Mexico?
Autos.
Arriba,
Negevs. Arribo. My name is Taquito.
Japanese Goberin.
Oh god.
I killed the guy with that auto. Please stop. You're gonna trigger him.
Yeah, they actually do eat rust.
No, they're made out of rust and they eat dust. We win.
Oh, they get more recommendations. They got one kill.
What?
I got my
I hope
stat
this
check
is-
power loader.
Oh my god, it has the Negev sound. How many bullets did you put in? How many like bullets? Oh my god!
Double
The lawnmower.
Double kill.
Time to mow the lawn. Negevs and Zeus is out, let's go. I see one. Go! Attack!
It's a friendly fire! Watch the friendly fire!
Go through the fire. Fear nothing. Kill them all.
One down,
Anything-
one down.
Anything that moves is to be killed. Got another. I got
Even
one down.
Chris.
Yes, even teammates. Orange is down! I'll save you, I'll avenge you! Where'd he go?
No,
Where's the enemy?
not bad.
There he is! I did it! I killed him! Win! Ah.
You're a good man.
There's one!
Totally.
Kill him! I got him! There's another! Go get him.
Like one down.
A1, M for A1.
Get that out of here.
Grody, get that out of
trash
here.
out of here. Only
I
Negev.
We
know.
only use a speedo
Star Wars, the Negev.
Broly. Get him
Wars
purple.
were the-
To my stat trap.
Kill them. Kill them all. Buy decoys so that we can make a ton of noise.
Decoy.
Like, you won't be able to hear anything, just spam your decoys.
Deploying decoy.
This is the only map I've gotten aces on, and it's with the Negev.
There he is! Wait, in the middle building! End him! He killed me. I live grateful. He's a bot.
I ran out of bullets. No, please.
I am
Behind
the
you.
weapons guy. This is my weapon. No! Get him, Tree. Last guy's
Chris,
down there, last
please.
guy's down there. Jump down,
Get
jump
him,
down.
get rid of Lord.
Eliminate him. Damn.
No!
No!
You failed.
No!
There goes the flawless dream, boys.
Oh gosh, I don't have enough.
I don't have enough either.
The flawless Negev.
I don't have
dream is
enough!
gone.
I have enough! What do we do?
One of us.
We can kill ourselves.
What do
One
we do?
of us.
Buy a deagle!
I have the R8, I don't
We
have
kill
it.
ourselves.
Ow! No! I don't know what to do.
Deploying flashbang.
I'll buy an off, I guess.
Ew,
I bought it
no,
all.
don't you dare.
I don't know how to use any gun other than the Negev. Wait, what? Somebody else abandoned. Look at their team. Look at their team. There's only 2 actual players on their team. I'm gonna just run around collecting chickens again. I will raise an army of chickens. I swear to God, if somebody kills my chickens, I'm going to murder them and rape them.
I hope you realize that I just killed your other chicken.
I'm going to murder you and rape you. I found the enemies. Knife them. Knife them all. Oh God, the fox. There's too many of them. What? What? Oh my God. Oh, we win.
Oh my god.
GG.
Tech 9 rush speed. Tech 9 rush speed. This is the new religion. Tech 9 rush speed.
No, knife only. Knife rush speed. I have the bomb, I dictate what we do. There they are! Knife them! Alright, I'm a bot now.
Oh gosh, you're gonna buy a Negev.
I changed my sexual identity to a bot.
This all started with yellow knifing someone.
Why do I have the bomb again?
Throw all of your weapons out, except if it's a Negev. And then only knife.
Throw them in the
Okay.
tic-tac-toe. Throw them at the tic-tac-toe.
Okay. Guys, the only weapons that are... Oh, okay. One player.
What? Oh my God.
One
this
player.
poor
No,
guy.
don't kill him, don't kill him.
Yeah, don't kill him.
Make a line! Wait, make a line! Make a line!
What? Oh my God, he's the last guy alive. Don't kill him. No, don't kill him. Don't kill him. Don't kill him.
Don't kill him, don't kill him, don't kill him.
No, don't kill him.
Let's hit Dave.
We'll be friends. No!
No!
GG, Swoobles. One guy. This is the best game.
Hey, what's up, guys? Michael P here.
Did you know that the high mag, fast firing Negev is the perfect weapon for spraying a lot of rounds quickly, with a hefty price tag, high spread, and frustrating recoil as trade-offs? It has been custom painted with a high-tech design and tan and black. Did you know that the highly accurate and armor-piercing, the pricey 5.7 is slow loader that compensates with a generous 20-round magazine and forgetting recoil? It has been custom painted with an urban camo and red accents. Did you know that easily recognizable for its unique bullpup design? The P90 is a great weapon to shoot on the move due to its high-capacity magazine and low recoil. It has been custom painted with the shit. I can't read.
Are there any Roblox characters on this map?
Dude, my favorite Roblox character is Edgy the Hedgy. Hey guys, Michael here. Doing another Roblox inappropriate video. Now, today I found a really inappropriate place on Roblox. Oh my God, what? Do you see that guy's profile picture?
I wonder how they talk to black people in Japan.
They go, konnichiwa, cowboy cheeseburger guns. Yo, my dick's is bigger than Judy Hopps' dick. I'm proud to say that.
That guy's
honestly.
an issue.
Yeah, he does. He's a fucking furry, and his dick is small, which is funny.
He was always sweater anyway.
Oh, bombs at Palace. Yeah. There were just 2 guys there, so I killed them. Oh, shit. He has a bomb. Guys, Palace. Bombs at Palace, and there's a guy, he's gonna pick it up. Get him, King.
Your profile
King
picture
Yippee.
reminds me of a certain person named J.D. Ellison.
Good job, King Yippee. Fucking the Boku no Pico biggest fan. He's got
I like
Olaf.
Italy.
Right there, right there.
Dude, look at girl gamer's profile picture.
What is it? What the hell is wait, let me look at their Steam profile. Is this guy actually Asian?
I love Hibbitsra.
I love Asian.
I have a question for you. Are you willing to eat my dog?
Sure,
Do you like anal?
we always do. No. No, no,
Okay. No, I have the ultimate question. Do you like little children with big guys?
Do you like to
We-
to smoke anime girls? Do you like small anime girls?
Oh, I like to put my dingalingo in there. Put the lingo.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Oh god, pause.
Literally.
Whoa! Oh Jesus! They'll never find me. Oh god, they found me! You like anal?
No, anal, man. No, anal.
Do anal.
No, anal. Okay.
Anal.
No, anal.
No, do anal. Do
No,
anal.
anal, man.
Anal to small anime Japanese girl.
Hey, dude, you remember in Halo?
You win.
Whoa.
Dude, you remember in Halo CE, like every time you kill someone, it says
So
this
laggy.
this person killed, whatever their name was, and people always used to make it like their mom or
Anal
something.
is
Yes.
for faggot.
They're voting
Like
to kick
chicken
Girl
strip.
Gamer. They have Girl Gamer on their team. I don't think we can win this. you
Why
guys.
don't they kick Olaf?
Yeah. It says, "Oh, I've
Who's
been
the-
impaled" on it, by the way.
Girl gamer, she might
gamer.
wanna anal. I wanna eat her vagina.
You want to eat her ass? Do you eat
Yeah.
ass? Okay. Good job. Do you eat ass?
I wanna eat ass if there's a shit in it.
What? Oh my god. Oh, it
I'm
was
just
Girl Gamer.
lagging.
Wow. No anal for you.
That anal is way too big.
No, you know what you deserve for no anal? You get this now for no anal. You get
He gets the
Ziploc.
He gets the Ziploc.
you get
Hey,
this
you
suck.
motherfucker!
You get this suck. Ziploc. You get Ziploc.
Fuck you, man!
You get
No
Ziploc.
more anal.
No more anal for you.
Where's
I
it
think they're
gonna
Palace. I hear footsteps Palace.
Dude.
He doesn't know.
Stab him,
He
stab
doesn't
him, stab him, get more money.
Ooh, I stabbed him.
Ooh.
And I got a smoke. They about to get
For a
anal.
second, I thought your name was Russian alcoholic wife boner.
No, I was gonna anal him. Damn it. I could have analed him.
I should call you anal boy.
No, you're anal boy.
You anal boy.
No, you anal boy.
You anal boy,
Are
boy.
you so bad at Minecraft?
What?
You suck
I-
anal boy.
No, you suck anal boy. You don't even have kills. You're bottom fragger.
Dude, you... Oh, shut the
Boy,
fuck.
boy,
You
don't-
killed me.
Boy, look at you, boy. You died at the beginning of the round. You're bad, kid. You bad. You get no anal.
You killed me, you
No,
motherfucker.
you get. Look, I'm MVP. I got the most eliminations. You're bad.
Oh,
No, you're bad. You don't even have an op.
I call you.
You don't
anal
have Negev. No, you anal boy. You
You anal
you
boy.
get sucked.
Boy.
Suck
Boy.
boy. Look at you, little kid, little boy.
You boy. Boy, you anal boy.
You don't even have an auto. That proves you have no skill. No skill.
Yeah,
no,
right.
no auto, no skill. No auto, no skill.
Oh,
No skill, no suka. Wow, look what you made happen, Kings. Yippee, you made us lose. No, no
Yeah,
Russian, no
I
anal.
killed one, okay?
No anal for you.
No more anal. Only vagina.
Only vagina anal.
Sure. Called it a shocker.
It's my knife. That's my knife. You can't have it. It's my knife. You can't have it. I got the knife. Their bombs out. Their bombs at their spawn. They just left it
That's
here.
my bomb and you can't have it.
No, it's my bomb. You can't have it. It's my bomb. You win. Wow, dude, you're so bad. I bet you cheated to get that MVP. You're such a smurf, dude. Why are you smurfing?
I went anal
Nah,
on
you're
this
smurf.
motherfucker.
Nah, you anal smurf. You eat anal. All you do is eat anal every day. You go. That's what it sounds like when you eat anal. Phallus. You just try to Zeus. That's a negative. Cyberbully, it was mine. I was gonna backstab and become
That's a
the
negative.
spy. Why is the AFK guy keep having the bomb?
He's using a Roblox client, that's why.
I'm on bomb site B. I'm gonna plant the bomb. I am planting the bomb. Bomb has been planted. 45 seconds till detonation. Anal.
Time out. No time out. What? Time out. No more anal. Damn.
You have timeout. No more anal for you.
MLG anal.
Happy crackling deprecayo. I'm happy.
Konnichiwa anal. No, you eat some deep fried shrimp roll, man.
Eat some deep fried dick.
We aren't going on a windy walk here. Grenade.
This guy's lag. Cause no anal. Can I just get banned so I stop like playing CS:GO? I swear to God. Why do you have my Negev? How long have you had my Negev? When did I buy that thing?
I just picked it up from somebody.
One of them had my Negev. Kill him, kill him.
Fucking lagging, what?
Yeah, beat down.
No, my
Oh, don't
Negev.
spray Negev.
Get back to boot camp.
Get back to boot camp.
Whoa.
Get back to boot camp.
Oh.
The 54 Immortals crush all opposition. I'm just gonna hold out the bomb, they'll never see it coming. This plane is bomb. Oh shit, this guy.
When the moon hits you,
Microwave.
yeah, like a big pizza pie.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the moon hits the sun and you feel a gun against your head.
Thank you, my friend.
Pull the trigger, you need Alex,
Grr.
and then you'll go!
He bought an auto.
I'ma edit that up.
I'ma edit that up. I will destroy shit.
That hit you.
Damn it.
You lucky one.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza. Shit. How?
I tried.
Oh, I forgot the.
Wow, you have an auto. What a loser. Why would you buy an auto? Can't believe you would do that. Wow.
I'm lagging too. What?
Anal boy. God, I can't believe you would use an auto. What an anal boy. Look at you, anal boy. Little boy. I've taken a plasma shit.
What do you mean?
It's up to you, anal. I thought you were a black guy. Why you don't shoot them?
I've saved your life. Good game.
Okay, see you, man.
Stop
Alright, see
bragging.
Whoa, I got an amber fade! Wowee!
What?
Look, I got an amber fade.
What?
What kind? Wait,
That's my-
wait.
Alright, amber fade. It's pink.
Oh. Nice.
I already have one though. Wait, I already have an alright amber fade. What do I do?
Yeah, kill
Uh,
yourself.
I'm gonna use the R8 to kill myself.
Ain't no,
Ain't no,
ain't no,
ain't no, ain't no,
ain't no.
ain't no, ain't no, ain't no.